Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get scorching deviled egg horns. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on fresh eggs and potent spices to achieve that fiery kick. We'll walk through each step, from perfectly boiling your eggs to crafting the spicy filling and shaping it into impressive horns. This guide will help you create a memorable appetizer that combines stunning presentation with an unforgettable, intense flavor. Get ready to impress your guests with these unique deviled eggs. Achieving the perfect base for your deviled eggs starts with properly cooked eggs. Boil 6 large eggs for about 10 to 12 minutes, ensuring firm yolks that are easy to work with. Immediately transfer them to an ice bath for at least 5 minutes to stop cooking and prevent discoloration. Once cooled, carefully slice each egg in half lengthwise and gently scoop out the vibrant yolks. Mash these yolks thoroughly with a fork until they resemble fine crumbs, creating a smooth foundation for your spicy filling. Now for the scorching part. To your mashed yolks, add about 1/3 cup of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. For the heat, incorporate 1 to 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, plus a pinch of salt and black pepper to taste. Mix everything until it's wonderfully smooth and creamy. Transfer this fiery filling to a piping bag fitted with a star tip. Then, pipe the mixture into the egg white halves, creating elegant, upward curving horn shapes. To complete your scorching deviled egg horns, a thoughtful garnish makes all the difference. Sprinkle a touch of smoked paprika over each piped horn for a pop of color and a hint of smoky flavor. For an extra kick and visual interest, you can add finely minced fresh chives or a thin slice of red chili. For a truly thematic presentation, consider placing small, triangular pieces of red bell pepper at the top of each horn to resemble devil's horns. Chill your finished deviled eggs for at least 30 minutes before serving to allow the flavors to meld beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.